Sorry guys, nag-game na kasi ako eh. Asan no? Wait lang guys, wait lang. Okay guys, dito na guys. Pwede ko ba ito? Saan ba? Saan ba? Saan ba? Saan ba? Ito. Grab wash desk. Saan? 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 Grab winch from desk. Anong desk? Ano gusto mo i-ano ko to sa'yo? Strange. Fix leak. Asan ba? Ito. Nakita kayo ba guys? Ulitin nyo nga tong video kung may nakita kayo. Saan ba? Baho. Wata. Baho. Di dito dyan. Jester, what do you mean? Wait, how do you see me? I can take a right. You just night 2 guys. Pag night 3 na talaga yan. Thank you sir. To? Kompi naman ah. Ito. Wow. Kanino to? Sa akin. Guys, may blood. Wow. May blood ba to? Wait lang. Oo nga, meron. Ish, ayoko na to hawakan. Lagay ko to sa bag ko. Para mga buhay na yung bag ko.
Ginagawa mo yan.
Video ko. Clean this sticker. No! Clean dental chairs. Kasi naman kasi mga patients na to, babaho ng mga puwet. Joking guys, joking huwag yun sasabihin. Bad yun. Okay guys. Ano ba to? Clean. Ay, spray. Kaya pala ito. Ay, wait lang. Ito pala. Nako. Clean critical chairs 1 out of 4. And 1 left. Rabadon. Babong moose. Okay, wala. Squeaky clean. Wait, really? Nah, bro. Take clinic appointment. Oh, nagulat ako. Okay, sir. Bakit wala kayong buhok? 40 years old na ba kayo, sir? Hindi pa baka po kayo marunong mag-brush ng teeth? Diyos ko naman. Okay lang po yan kasi magaling naman kayo. Be kind to others, never ever be mean. I mean to be yeah, shining like a rock star. Like a rock star. What a cute. I would not say it in the video. Boss of month. Oh my god. What the heck? I thought this was his arms and then there's nothing like this. We love boss. I don't love boss. You have to exit. No freaking way. Asan sila? Asan ba yun? Talk to boss by dumpster? Dito? Nakalaki. Saan? Close na to guys. Nah bro. Nah bro. No. No, I'm gonna die, bro. Bro, I'm scared. I'm not scared. God, don't you dare do this. Don't you dare do this, sir. Don't you dare do this. No, die. That's important, Mr. Boss. He's dead! What the heck? He's the one. I told you. No. Wait. Did my pet? Do you want my tooth? Come again, it's stinker. What? Can't see anything. What the heck? Can't see anything. Can't see anything. Can't see anything. I want to die. No! No! Go back inside office. How to be in here? Come on. Come on, I don't wanna do this. So yeah, don't you forget you're ugly. With no brows, no shiny things. You aren't handsome. Look at it. You're like a stinky litter box. Thanks. Oh. That did not seems like boss. Yes it is. Check boss food or something. Oh. Oh my god. Good bosses. Wait. What the heck happened to a real pop? If I turn around, well, what just that? No, I'm not leaving it. I'm leaving now, bro. No, no, no. I don't wanna. I don't wanna do. Unlock the door. I don't wanna do this. Shit, the door is locked. There must be a key somewhere. Can you see anything? Put it to poster back. Sorry, sir. Sir, don't leave me. Sir, don't leave me. No, sir. Come on, I'll come to you. I'll come. No! I'm so confused with what. Look at you. I don't really want it. I love it much. Because you're old. Did he like my blood? I need to research on him. Research plus history. Here? Where? Oh. Oh my god! Look at boss on. What the heck? Here. I need to stop him. People who don't know flaws. Throw away? Why? May puchi na yan. What's going on? That's it. I'm unlocking that door. Are you crazy or something? From where? I'm so scared. I am so scared. No, 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 no. Run to the front. I can't see. It's the. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. No, no. I will never game this again.